we will be unboxing the new Air Force 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anjo, and today we will be unboxing the new Air Force 1 React. This bag, bag. I just bought this today. It's January 18, Saturday. This is the box. Okay, so this is the Air Force 1 React. The new Nike Air Force 1 React was released only yesterday, January 17, on selected Nike stores only. There's three colorways: black colorway, and then the white, and this is the gray. Got this from Nike store. So what's the difference from the original Air Force 1? So it has React insole. So so there is a React cushion. It's very thick, as you can see. Okay, so another difference aside from the insole is the design. So the design, it's different from the classic. It's not pure leather. This one is made up of mesh material. And the bottom part, the outsole, the design of the outsole, this one, if you can see, this is different from this part. This is like the Epic React. They have the same outsole. This is the Nike's version of Boost technology. So if you want comfortable shoes with stylish design and you're a fan of the Air Force 1 silhouette, then I think you should grab this one. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.